our engineers have taken that as the kind of foundation, and they've made it into 4K. They've changed the insides to make it 4K, and we're showing that just as a prototype. And basically, they're asking for feedback from people. Do you like the form factor? Can you see this being something that would be good to come out with under $2,000? And you're seeing a live. This is a live feed, so you're seeing the 4K image that it creates. Our JVC Everio has been, around for many years, but we've kind of changed it and really changed the focus of it, and we've made it quad-proof. And so you've never seen this before with a camcorder, a normal camcorder. Oh, wow! You notice the screen is lit up. So this is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof. So it's a great all-weather camcorder for situations where you wouldn't want to use your smartphone, you wouldn't want to use a normal camcorder. This even has a built-in 4.5-hour battery pack. So it's kind of like almost foolproof.
How deep can you take in the water?
16 feet without any other housing.
Snorkeling would probably be okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, with a really nice, and this is a full-featured camcorder. This is technology that we first did for our Adixxion action camera, the quad-proof, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, and now we've brought this to our Everio line. And Everio, of course, gives you the full zoom, the 40:1 optical, 60:1 dynamic zoom. It gives you the 3-inch touchscreen LCD. Very easy to operate. Gives you the nice, mini system and playback right on the big screen. In a very unique camera. No one else is doing anything like this.
Is that particular model your high end of this line, the quad-proof?
We have two different quad-proof Everios. We have the GZ-R10, which we have available in black and also red and also blue. And then we have a GZ-R70, which would be this guy right here. And the 70 adds 32 gig of built-in memory and a LED video light.
The sensor's the same?
Sensor's the
same. So they're all basically on the same
it's built
platform.
On the same platform. Okay. Here. And if you look inside here, you can see SD card slot, HDMI, AV out, and USB. And that's all waterproof.
With gasket sealed?
Yeah, you can see the gasket right there. The gray gasket.
Refresh the whole.
This is an awesome action camcorder for $299. But think about also how many people have said, well, I'm interested in an action camera. I'm looking at JVC, I'm looking at GoPro, but I want a zoom lens. And so now we've got this for the traditional action camera customer. and we've got the Everio for the full feature with the real zoom lens.
That's why point and shoot.
Kind of the best of both.
Like I think really,
if you think about it that way.
And even the announcements around here. Now, still for video to
And for the Adixxion, we're showing, this is our flexible adhesive mount. Behind you, we've got our chest strap.
And as TVs grow in size, and it's more affordable really to get a 50, a 60 inch these days, and to hook up a phone to your television or to actually see it other than.
Okay, so this is the top of the line.
Really great full HD picture quality, very high bit rate, great lens, virtually every conceivable recording codec that you could want.
Flip screen.
Yeah, you can do the low angle like that, or you can do the high angle like this, or folded flat against the body. Whatever works for you.
Optional mic.
Optional microphone, optional viewfinder like you see there. It's got a built-in, I think it's got a flash. I don't think it has a video light.
How high a bit rate is the codec?
It can do up to 36 megabits per second, 1080 60p, and it can do that either in MP4 or .mov format. AVC HD Progressive is probably about 28 megabits per second if I remember right, and regular AVC HD as well, and iframe.
We actually had forums that went all over the country, and we had producers and everybody come in.
What's the list price?
$5,000. But for you,
10.
10.
Yeah.